We've been together for so many years. And I cannot but love you. I cannot but love. Toyin did not collect a dime from me, guys. She did not collect a dime from me. And I appreciate her so much. I love her. We support each other every time, you know. Some people, you will support them, they will not return the support back. But you know, she didn't have to. She could have said, I'm busy. I don't have. In fact, this episode 2 and 3 that we did, she's the one that gingered me. Oh. I didn't want to stress her. She said, Auntie Ejekashi, let's do it now. It's a nice concept. I said, I don't want to stress you, my love. Only no, you're not stressing me. Let's do it. So Toyin, I am really drawn to tears this morning. I just want to say I love you. I love you forever. Forever is the deal. Trust me, girl. I love you. I appreciate you so much. So much, Toyin Abraham. I love you. Because, you know, in our industry, a lot of us, we just they do hi. We're not really that close like everybody assumes. But I mean, Toyin is one girl that we've been together for a very long time. And we're still together standing strong. And she didn't just come to say, oh, Auntie IYABO is not paying me. Let me just do. She put her body and she was even sick when we were recording. Remember now? She was very sick. She was very strong. But she still came through for me. Toyin, I love you. Thank you so much for all that you do for me. I know this might come as a shock to you, yeah? But I love you. I need to appreciate you. Thank you so much. I love you. I love you. I love you. ENIOLUWA, my love. Hey! Princess Bestie, Toyin Abraham's son. ENIOLUWA, that be my own son. But is that Priscilla Omoaleni? What's that? What's her name? Shewa Omoaleni Shewa. Priscilla, yeah, ENIOLUWA should be my own son. Always supporting me. But that Priscilla is always supporting her mother-in-law. I don't know why you. But anyway, it is well. ENIOLUWA, I love you. I love you so much, ENIOLUWA. Thank you so much for standing by me. ENIOLUWA did not collect a dime. He did not collect a shishi. And he's been so supportive. Thank you so much. God bless you. And every other person that has come to support my comedy show, the in-laws. Thank you so much. Kudimi, thank you.
tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ mà ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó bó ṣe appreciate Toyin Abraham àti ENIOLUWA nínú fídíò yìí ẹ pọ́ bó sọ wípé gbogbo iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n bá òun ṣe wọn kò gba kọ́bọ̀ ní ọwọ́ òun o.
Báwọn rán mi létí orúkọ wọn.